Hotellook, your smart way to find the best hotel. Deals planning a trip can be exciting, but finding the right hotel at the right price often feels overwhelming. With dozens of booking sites out there, the same room can cost differently depending on where you look. That's where Hotellook comes in, a powerful hotel search engine that helps travelers compare prices across hundreds of platforms in seconds. What is Hotellook? Hotellook is an online aggregator of hotel and apartment offers, pulling data from well-known booking platforms like Booking.com, Agoda, Hotels.com, Expedia, and more. Instead of opening multiple tabs and searching each website separately, Hotellook does the heavy lifting for you and shows you the cheapest available rate for the same property. How does Hotellook work? Enter your destination and travel dates. Hotellook scans hundreds of booking sites in real time. You get a list of hotel options with prices compared side by side. Choose the best deal and complete the booking directly with the partner site. Hotellook itself doesn't charge any fees. You always pay directly with the booking partner. Key features and benefits. Save money. Find exclusive discounts and price differences you might miss otherwise. Save time. No need to check 10 websites one by one. Wide variety, from budget hostels to luxury resorts. Easy to use. Available both on desktop and mobile app. Transparent. No hidden costs. You see the real final price. Who should use Hotellook? Travelers looking for budget-friendly options. Families planning longer vacations. Solo travelers and backpackers who want flexibility. Digital nomads who often need short-term stays. Why choose hotel? Look over other platforms. While platforms like Booking.com or Trip.com focus on direct reservations, Hotellook acts as a comparison tool. This means you can quickly see which platform offers the lowest price and avoid overpaying for the exact same hotel room. Ready to travel smarter? Try Hotellook today and discover how much you can save on your next trip. www.ddtravelworld.com